Children, here you can see numbers, right? 1 to 9 and 0. They are written in serial order from 1 to 9. Correct? Yes, there is some relationship between each numbers with their neighbors. So, dear children, today let us learn about the neighboring numbers on each side in our maths of standard 2nd. Okay, let us move to the topic. Before that, let us try to understand the position. Okay, here you can see 3 children. They are waiting for their school bus. Here Anand, Khushi and Rohan. Right? Khushi, she is standing in between Anand and Rohan. Isn't it? Anand is standing to her right and Rohan is standing on her left. Isn't it? Okay. Now the bus arrives. See here. This Anand, Khushi and Rohan, they turn to their right. Now Anand is in front of Khushi and Rohan is behind Khushi. Right? Now here we can say Anand is before Khushi and Rohan is after Khushi. How is the position? Anand is before, Khushi is in between and Rohan is after Khushi. Got this, children? He is in first place, second place. This one, that is Khushi's place and Rohan is in third place. Okay? Let us try to understand the meaning of before, between and after. Got this, children? These are nothing but neighboring. Dear children, here you can see pictures. First observe these 4 pictures. Okay, what we have to do here? Sequence the pictures in order of 1 to 4. Means we have to give the numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 according to the sequence. Here in the first picture, drying hands. Here it is eating food. Here washing hands and here playing with pet. Can you guess which one will come first? Then second, then third and then fourth. Yeah, you are right. This boy is playing with pet. This will become first number. Right? Then he comes back home. He washes his hands. Then dries his hands. Right? Then go to the table to eat the food. Right? This is called as sequence. Means number wise. First he will do this, then this and last eating food. Got this, children? Yes. Same thing we will do in these pictures also. Okay, see here. Now this girl cooking food. Second picture tells that she is washing hands. Here eating food and drying hands with a towel. Correct? Now again we have to number them according to their sequence. Come on, help me to number this. Yes, very nice. First, washing hands. Then she dried her hands with the towel. Yes, very good. Then she cooked her food. Then she ate the food. Right? Like this, we have to order these pictures according to their sequence. Okay? Let us move further. Here, circle the fruit that comes before. We will take apple. Here, this is the middle one, right? So, which fruit comes before this apple? Come on, tell me. Yes, very nice. Banana. This fruit comes before apple. Okay. Next one. Circle the animal that comes after. Yes. Here you can see three animals. Cow, duck and goat. Yes. We have to circle the animal that comes after. Yes, goat comes after this duck. Right? This is before and last here this is after. These are called neighboring or neighboring pictures, neighboring fruits which are, yes, banana and pear are neighboring fruits to apple. Like that only cow and goat, they are neighbors to this duck. Okay, and here after means that comes later. Next, circle the flower that comes in between. See dear children, you have to understand the meaning of the sentence, that is circle the flower that comes in between. In between means beach wala, beach mein. Okay, here we can see flower, lily and marigold. Yes, very nice. Lily is in between rose and this marigold. Correct? Nice. Now here you can see number 2. Right? You know this? Yes. See here, before 2 comes 1. Right? This is before number. Means the number to the left is always less by 1. Okay? And to the right comes 3. This is after number. Right? Means the number to the right is always greater by 1. Remember this. Here 1 and 3 are neighboring numbers of 2. Got this? Yes. What is the meaning of neighbor? Neighbor means बाजू वाले, आस पास वाले. Okay? So before number is 1 and after number is 3 for number 2. See one more. Here you can see 17, 18 and 19 on the line. Okay? Got this? Now we'll take number 18. Okay? Now see this 17. This is less than 18 by 1. Isn't it? So we can say this is a before number. And this is to the left of 18. Isn't it? Both you can consider. It is to the left of 18 and it is less by 1 number. Okay? And here you can see 19 to the right of 18. And it is greater by 1. So this is after number. Right? Before number is 17. After number is 19. And which is in between? Yes. 18 is in between 17 and 19. Got this, children? Here you can say 17 and 19 are the neighbors of 18. Okay? Now here also you can see a number line. Come on dear children. Tell me the answers here. We will take number 5. Okay? Which is the before number and which is the after number. Yes. Here you can see number 4. Right? What is this? Before or after? Very nice. This is a before number. And here you can see 6. That is after number. Isn't it? Here also we will take one more number. That is 9. Which is to the left. which is to the right of 9. See number 8 to the left side of 9, and you can see number 10 right here, that is to the right side. You know that left side means here before number which is less than 9, that is 8, and 10 which is to the right of 9 and that is greater by 1, that is nothing but after number, right? See dear children, here you can see a caterpillar, right? And you can see here 1 to 10 numbers. We will select one number. See here 7. Okay, here we have to identify the before and after number of 7 or neighboring numbers of 7. See, yes, 6 is to the left of 7, that is nothing but the neighbor of 7, and this is before number, right? And here you can see number 8, which is also the neighbor of 7, but that is after number. Got this, children? I hope you understood about the meaning of before, after and in between, isn't it? Dear children, here also we can see some animals and the number line. Okay, we will select one animal which is on number 6, that is duck, right? You know the number to the left is smaller and number to the right is greater one, right? Come on, tell me which animal is on before position. Yeah, frog is before and our penguin is after, right? Because 5 is before number and 7 is after number, isn't it? Okay, here also we will select 26, and here you can see 25 is before number and 27 is after number, because 26 is our in between number of 25 and 27, and these 25 and 27 are neighbors of 26, right? Now here also we will select some numbers and we will try to find out the before and after number, means neighboring numbers. See 18 before number of 19 and 20 is after number of 19. And one more, see number 46 before number is 45, very nice, and after number is, yes, 47. One more we will take this 23, okay, before number is 22 and after number is 24, right? Means 22 and 24 are neighbors of 23. Write the numbers which comes before and after the given numbers. This is very easy. Here in between numbers are given, that is 2, 10 and 22. We must have to fill these flowers by before number and after number. See, before 2 comes 1, correct? And after 2 comes 3. Very easy. Before 10 comes 9. This is less than 1 number, right? And after 10 comes 11, which is greater by 1. Before 22 is 21. After 22 is 23, right? Here also we have to fill the blanks. See dear children, 1 and 3 are given and in between blank space is there, right? We will fill this by between number, that is nothing but 2, right? Here 7, 8, then comes 9. Very good. Here 6 is given. We have to write before and after number, that is 5 and 7. Very nice. Here 4 and 5 is given. Yes, here we have to write the before number of 4, that is 3. Very good. Here 14, in between number is given. We have to write before and after, that is, yeah, very nice. 14 is given and 15, correct? And here we have to write the in between number, that is, yes, come on, tell me, you are right, that is 7. Some more are there. See here, 2 numbers are not given, only 8 is given. We have to write 2 before numbers, that is 6, 7 and 8, correct? Now here 10 is given, so here 9 will come and here 11, right? 19, 20 is given, before number is 18, correct? Here 9 is given, in between number is given. We have to write before, that is 8, and after, that is 10. Here 12 is given, so before number is 11. Very good. Then comes 13, 16, 17, yeah, very nice. This is 18. Again here you can see caterpillar, right? Finish my body to make a sequence. Yes, we will help this caterpillar to finish its body to make a sequence. See the numbers 10, 20. Yes, dear children, what will come next? See here, options are given. 30, 50, 35, 70, 40. This is an activity, okay? And 3 blank spaces are there. Then comes 60. So 10, 20. Very nice. Next will be 30. Correct. Next will be 40. Next 50. Then comes 60. Now caterpillar's body is ready to move, isn't it? One more caterpillar. Finish my body so that the numbers make a pattern. See dear children, this is also an activity. Here you have to think and you have to complete the body of this caterpillar. Here you can see 2, 4, dash, 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 then 12. And options are 7, 8, 14, 6, 11, 10. Yes, 2, 4, then comes 6. Very nice. We'll write 6 here. Then, very good, 8. Correct? We'll take 8 here. Then, nice, 10. We'll write 10 here. 12 is return. Bye bye caterpillar. You can move. Dear children, I hope you understood the topic clearly. See, this is homework for you. You must write here before numbers. Here you have to write between numbers. And here you have to write after numbers. Please go through the numbers and try to write before, between and after numbers properly. Got this? Okay, one more homework is there for you. Here also you have to write after number and before number of given numbers. Okay. Please write this in your notebook and show it to your teacher or elders. Yes, your caterpillar is there with its numbers and it is telling you thank you, okay, for listening to this